Hello students, now I am going to discuss the next chapter of Civics, that is working of institution. In this chapter, we would come to know about the main four topics. First is the decision makers, Mandal Commission, need for political institution, parliament and its two houses, political and permanent executive, powers of prime minister and his council of minister and the president power, and the last topic is the judiciary. So in this introduction chapter I am going to explain about the topic, that is the decision maker and Mandal Commission. Dear students, in democratic government the main power is divided into several branches. The first branch is legislature, and second branch is executive, and the third branch is judiciary. You know about the legislature. My dear students, the legislature, it is the part of the government that makes laws, and the executive board means which implement the law which has been prescribed by the legislature. And the judiciary, the main work of judiciary is to resolve the dispute which arise among the citizen, as well as citizen versus government, government versus government, and citizen versus citizen. So this is the role of legislature, executive and judiciary. And the executive board is a group of persons with the authority to initiate major policies which makes decisions and implement them on the basis of constitutional laws. And the judiciary is an institution that administers justice and resolves legal disputes. All the court in the country are collectively called a judiciary. So if any major policy decision is conveyed through a government order, that government order is called office memorandum. I am giving you one example of Mandal Commission to understand the role of legislature, role of executive and role of judiciary. Dear student, in 1979, the second backward class commission was established, and it was established by Janata Party government under the Prime Minister Morarji Desai. It was popularly known as Mandal Commission because this commission was designed under the leadership of B.P. Mandal, so its name is Mandal Commission. And as per the Mandal Commission recommendation, a government order announced that 27% of vacancies in civil posts and services under the Government of India would be reserved for the SEBC. SEBC means socially economically backward classes. So the reservation issue was strongly protested by the people, and some of the people they state that this largely affect the everyone's job opportunities. But some of the people they thought that reservation were necessary to balance the inequality. So this was protest in all over the country, and when this matter goes into the Court of Justice, then Supreme Court compile all the cases, and these cases were grouped together and called the Indra Sahini versus Union of India. Supreme Court ordered that the person who are well-to-do, they will be excluded from receiving the benefits of reservation. And this issue was resolved in a modified office memorandum was issued, and Supreme Court said that the order which has been issued by the government was valid, but the people who are capable, who are economically developed, they will not get this type of reservation. So in this way, by this example, you come to know how the legislature play a very prominent role in making of the law, and executive board who played two major policies, initiate and make decision and implement them on the basis of law, And in the last part of this, Mandal Commission, you have seen that कि judiciary played a prominent role in resolving the disputes. So I think, have you understood what is the meaning of legislature, executive, and judiciary?